Welcome to the course on Basic Excel. Before moving to the basic Excel functions, one thing you can't avoid. You will learn how to use the 4 basic mathematical operators: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. We will start by discussing how to enter these operators into a cell, and then move on to more advanced topics such as using these operators in formulas and functions. To enter a mathematical operator into a cell in Excel, simply type it in like any other character. For example, to add two numbers together, type a plus sign between them. To subtract one number from another, type a minus sign. To multiply two numbers, use an asterisk. To divide one number by another, use a / symbol. In addition to simply typing operators into a cell, you can also use them in formulas to perform calculations on multiple cells or values. To create a formula, start by typing an equals sign into a cell. Then, specify the cells or values that you want to use in the calculation, separated by the appropriate operator. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would type equals A1 plus B1 into a cell. You can use any combination of operators and cells or values in a formula to create more complex calculations. In addition to using operators in formulas, you can also use them within functions in Excel. A function is a pre-defined formula that performs a specific calculation, such as summing a range of cells or calculating the average of a group of values. In the next videos we will learn how to use some of the basic Excel functions.